Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with, I believe, a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, all you have to do is to swipe your finger or pen, of course, from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. And basically, if you want to, you can close only one of those apps or 2 of them, just find it and then swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all, simply tap on Close All button. And we just go back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.